Next I'm going to show you how I replaced the lining on my hardtop. So the old one was very sagging and dirty and it was coming off, had a lot of bubbles in it that would come off. So first of all you have to remove the catches, and then these plugs here just unplug and you can remove it all from the hardtop. Then you can unpick all the old head lining from the edges and then peel it all off. It will leave a lot of foam behind, which you'll need to scrape off and clean all the glue off. Once it's all cleaned on, you can get some new material on. I use this Alcantara headlining material, which is like foam backed. So you need 1 metres by 1.5 metres, and then I use this spray glue from B&Q, Evo Stick Impact, sprayed it all on, placed all the new material on, and then gradually worked my way outwards with it, put extra more glue on until I got it to and trimmed it all down around the edges, and glued it all over the edges and bent it all over, and it was all just good to put back in place. That's all done.